there. You guys commented before I joined in, even thumbs up. I really appreciate that. So we are here again this morning, this evening, this afternoon, depending on time zone. Okay, but I'm using the Biafran time. So I'm using Biafran time. It's morning, so we are morning, and I want us to like this video. Tell me what you think about what we're going to discuss. Tell me where you're watching from, and subscribe if you have not. Yeah, that reminds me. I have a backup channel that I opened just yesterday. I opened a backup channel. The reason because when I was live here yesterday, many people were complaining that they can't see top up, not top up, thumbs up. All right, to give the video thumbs up. Many people said that they can't see my thumbs up. Just to give the video support. To click on like button. That button was missing yesterday. Many people were complaining about it, and I suspected that people that own the platform could be behind the problem, because even myself, I checked it. I can see that I can give thumbs up, but people couldn't give me because of one reason or another. So I was thinking that this may be from people that own the platform. You know what I'm talking about. So for us to be on the server side, I have to get up, open up another channel for backup, and it's called Kai Report Clips. Okay, Kai Report Clips News. I will put it on my community. I want you, please and please help me subscribe there. All right, so that if this one have issue, we can have another place where we can preach the gospel, tell our people the truth about what we are going through. And since people are using media to drag Igbo people and Biafran down, we have to step up our games. So what I'm trying to say in essence is that our government are doing very, very well. The Prime Minister is always busy doing the needful, and we cannot just fold our hands up. Just take for instance of what happened 2-3 days ago, when somebody IPOB Nigerian in Russia decided to do a photo shoot. Okay, like he said he's a celebrity soldier. That tells you a lot. That tells you a lot, because what they are doing is intentional. They know what they're doing. So please, I will post the link after this broadcast. I will post on my community. Do me a favor, subscribe. Give me a subscription there. Subscribe. We will be sharing videos there as well. All right. So if this one have issue, we have another place to continue. That's the reason why I opened the page, because of the complaint yesterday. So I don't want to wait until it happened to me before I can take correction. Okay. Having said that, we are here again to do the needful. I just want to share with us a few things, and we will move on, okay? Because this is morning time. We don't need to have a long broadcast, okay? I appreciate you people. Dinah is here. Dinah, my sister, I see you. Emeka Chibo, I see you. MNK, don't mind me. MNK, one of us. Freeman, I see you. Freeman, the very, very serious-minded guy. Alozie, I see you. Good morning, bros. Biafra is here. Up our PM, Simon Ekpa. Up our PM, up Biafran government in exile, up Biafran Liberation Army, and all of you that are giving the support to Biafran government in exile. You are not exempted. All of you should be acknowledged as well. Basil, I see you. Good morning, Mazi. Thank you, Basil. Nice to have you in this live broadcast. So guys, let's continue the broadcast. Let's hit the ground running. Now, I just want to share this with us while we are waiting for others to join us. Okay.
Nigerians. What Nigerians are the habitat. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. What is the difference between Nigeria and Nigerians? Very clear, understand now. Nigeria is the geographical location of Nigerians. What Nigerians are the habitat of Nigeria. Nigeria is a blessing to Nigerians. What Nigeria is a problem to Nigeria. Nigeria is 63 years old. What Nigerians are still crawling. They have failed. Do you know that Nigeria is rich, but Nigerians are poor? Nigeria is blessed with oil, but Nigerians are suffering because
some of you may ask, who is the person talking? This is a Edo Pikin. He's a comedian, but what he said here I find it so interesting. Although he's saying it so fast, but if you pay attention very, very well, let's listen to Edo Pikin, what he have to say, different between Nigerian and Nigerians. He's a comedian, but I want you to just pick point on that.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. What is the difference between Nigeria and Nigerians? Say very clear, understand now. Nigeria is the geographical location of Nigerians. While Nigerians are the habitat of Nigeria. Nigeria is a blessing to Nigerians. While Nigeria is a problem to Nigeria. Nigeria is 63 years old. While Nigerians are still crawling. They have failed. Do you know that Nigeria is rich, but Nigerians are poor? Nigeria is blessed with oil, but Nigerians are suffering because of oil. Nigeria is free of its colonial masters, but Nigerians are running to the land of their colonial master for survival. Nigeria have leaders, but Nigerians lack leaders. Nigeria have a great future, but Nigerians are so myopic to picture the future. Nigeria is blessed with minerals, but Nigerians are suffering from political diabetes. My brother, do you know, as I speak to you now, the person that found the land is great. It's no longer in the land, she's in another land. They told us that education is the key. But you know that yesterday, I see my classmates from the National Airport, they said, this is a country where every man wants to trample on another man to be elevated. A country where professors are made professors just to announce the result when you should not enter office. As I speak to you now, do you know that the salary of an average policeman is 15 liters of fuel? From here to Shogote, that'll be the salary. Brother, do you also know that the salary of a soldier man is not enough for him to go and see his family to and fro? As I speak to you now, our scholars are flying out, our engineers are flying out, our doctors are flying out, our professors are flying out, our graduates are flying out, and still the economy of this country is yet to take off. As I speak to you now, 3 sets of people are left in this country. Those who are running, those who are running for election, and those who hit the ground running. Do you know that we are no longer a country? We are now a group of people waiting for their visa to come out. So you mean this full Nigeria now? Yes, those who remain and those who they deny. Get out of here. Brother, Nigeria is blessed, but Nigerians are wicked. Every man is waiting for the next man to fail, and yet you want the country to succeed. Wickedness, bitterness, self-entitlement, immediate gratification is the fastest mobilization to corruption. You don't need transport. I want to harvest you. Do you know that in our country today, if you want to be a sinner, you go to the church. If you want to die, you run to the hospital. If you want to be corrupt, you go to court. If you want to be unemployed, you go to school. If you want to steal, you contest for election. Doing evil is not the new good, and doing good is not the new evil. Shall we continue to do evil against me, Abai? God forbid. Who cares? This is Nigeria, not America. This is the only country where our parliamentarians and lawmakers we gather together with big agbada just to shout the eyes have it, and yet the masses will never see it or get it. In those days, God will send his prophet to go and warn and advise kings and leaders. But in our time, our leaders are the ones advising our prophets from spiritual pulpit to political pulpit. But the governmental of them all and the general overseer of them all is our correct leaders. There is a difference between a public servant and a public master. When a public servant becomes a public master, then absolute power correct absolutely. Do you know that before this country was created, corruption was created, and on the altar of corruption was this country created, our colonial master was smart enough to have left us in a one-pity, don't-pity situation. But today, it's still a big shock today that we are still striving. We are able 63 years ago going to 64. It was because of this colonial corruption that a great man called Herbert Macaulay led the first protest in this country, and over time, the gathering of this comrades was given a name called NYM, the Nigerian Youth Movement of 1934. And later, Herbert Macaulay and a few others formed the National Council of Nigeria and Cameroon, NCNC, having Herbert Macaulay as the president and Nnamdi Azikiwe as the secretary. Then the NYM now becomes AG, the action group led by Awolowo, the famous cocoa farmer. And the struggles of this group led to the manifestation of the Richard Constitution of 1945 to 1954 that gave birth to Nigeria's in-top-3 majorities, the Northern, the Western, and the Southern Protectorate. And so we have the NPC, the Northern People's Congress, led by Sir Ahmadu Bello for the North, and then we have the AG, the Ashok Group, led by Awolowo for the West, and then we have the NCNC, the National Council for Nigeria and Cameroon, led by Nnamdi Azikiwe for the East. And this gave rise to the John McPherson Constitution that introduced the general election. And later, we have the Liquidity Constitution of 1954 that led to centralizing the government and making Nigeria a federal system of government. The first election was conducted in 1959 coalition automatically made AG the